Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the PowerPoint file is accessible on your phone. This saves time and avoids transfers. Open the Canva app, sign in, and grant storage access so Canva can import. Tap the plus icon, choose Import, then select the PPTX from your device or linked cloud. Doing this converts slides into editable Canva pages. This conversion preserves most layouts and images while turning text and shapes into Canva elements you can edit directly. Once your slides are converted, tap a slide to enter the editor and edit text boxes directly. You can change fonts, size, and alignment. Replace images by tapping the image, choose Uploads or Elements, and use the crop/fit tools to keep aspect ratio. For layout changes, use the bottom slide sorter to drag, duplicate, or delete slides. This keeps flow intact. Make sure to use Canva's alignment guides so objects remain consistent across slides. You finish by exporting. Tap Share, then Download and pick PPTX if you need PowerPoint back or PDF for fixed output. Select Quality. After export, open the file in the PowerPoint app to verify fonts, animations, and transitions because complex animations may not transfer. If something goes wrong, re-upload the original file or split it into smaller imports. Smaller files reduce conversion errors. Also clear app cache and retry if import stalls. And make
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.